was gonna do like my mom and my sister, but it's currently late and they're asleep, so do not jump off the counter. I'm doing my dog. I'm teaching my dog how to wash his little hands. Okay, so first step, Winston. This is my dog, by the way. His name's Winston. First we gotta turn on the faucet, okay? So you gotta use your little paw, turn on the faucet, right? And you're gonna sit right here. sit. You're gonna sit right here. I know you're gonna hate this. Okay. And then, I love you for this. And then you're gonna do your little paws. You're gonna do your paws. We're gonna get your little paws wet. Okay, so we get your little paws wet, right? Get your paws wet, make sure they're wet. We can leave that on. Okay. Okay. Then we gotta put soap on your paws. And use the soap. Get the soap out. Right. And put it in the paws. Gotta rub it in. You really need to rub your paws together. I don't know if that's gonna happen. Rub it in, rub it in, rub it in, rub it in. Can I, just scrolling off the camera. You gotta rub it, and then you gotta wash it off. So you gotta wash it off. Right? And then you gotta wash it off. Right? Okay. So you're with me here. And then, what we do is we go get a clean paper towel. I like the towel. You have a clean towel, just out of the drawer. You make sure they're dry. Okay, you make sure they're dry. Go down this. Normally we do this together, like in one, but we're not going for that right now. It's not really need to. Right? So you got it. Okay. And then what we do is we're gonna move this over. Normally I wouldn't do that, but I'm with a dog. So you take this, you put this, and you like grab it like that. So your newly washed hand does not touch the dirty faucet. And then you turn the faucet off. And then you're all done. And this is my dog.